music. Good evening. Good evening. It's running a little bit late this evening. I got in from work late, so I'm running a little bit late this evening. It's going to be a little bit different show this evening. We're going to go and look at the synoptic weather for Tuesday, and then we'll look at the 5-day forecast for Pinellas County. And the Tuesday weather is going to be for all 4 counties. We'll go in for Tuesday morning, Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening, and into Tuesday night going into Wednesday. So we're going to look at that right now. So let me add that to the share the screens. Yep, I will share the screens. Going to go synoptic weather. And here we go. Okay. This is Tuesday. So we're going to go right on in. We're going to focus in right about here. Okay. This is at 7 a.m. tomorrow. And we're going to look at the main weather for tomorrow. We'll look at the temperature, the radar, the winds, the clouds, and the precipitable water for Tuesday. But first of all, let's look what see how these two are far apart, but it doesn't get close right here and then far apart again. In the morning, we may have some clouds, and then it's going to be dry here, and then maybe how close is this? We may have some more clouds tomorrow. So that's the Tuesday. That's what they call a sounding, and that's what it looks like. And we'll see what the computer model is showing. Okay, overall, in the morning at 7 a.m., looks like Pasco County, closer to the water, about 61. Inland, 59. So about 59. 61 in northwest Tampa. 63 in southeast Tampa. Let's go down to Manatee County, 63. Pinellas, you're at 64 for tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow afternoon. And as you can see, let's do this about 2. Yeah, what's the highest going to be? So let's do this at 3 then tomorrow. Pinellas County, lower to mid 80s tomorrow, 82. The National Weather Service is calling for 87 tomorrow. But this is showing closer to the coast, about 73, 81. So I'm gonna go in between for my official forecast. I'm gonna say probably in the Tampa Bay regional area overall between 85 and 87 tomorrow. This is at 3. Okay, that's the temperature. Let's go back at 7 tomorrow morning. And let's look. So at 7 in the morning, we don't see no rain. We see a little bit of rain at 10 a.m. Nothing to speak of. 3 p.m. Still nothing. It's well east of the Tampa Bay regional weather area and well east of Pinellas County. Okay. Let's look at the wind speed for tomorrow. Generally south and east at 6-8. So 6 to 8 miles an hour. In Manatee County, 6-8, 6-4. So we'll just say 4 to about 8 miles an hour from the east and southeast for tomorrow. Let's look at precipitable water, 0.70 for tomorrow. The cloud cover, remember that that sounding showed a little bit cloudy. So let's go back to 7, see what it says at 7 a.m. This is what they're saying, because remember that sounding. Let's go back and look at the sounding again. Let's look at the sounding. Okay, let's look at the sounding. Remember this right here? See how close this is together? And then it spits farther apart, then close together. So this is what the model is showing. 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yes, we're going to have some clouds because that, as it went up in the atmosphere, it still has some clouds, but well to the east of us. Okay. Now, let's go back and look at the overall temperatures for tomorrow evening. Oh, this only goes out tomorrow evening. So we'll have to do tomorrow evenings. So I'll do tomorrow evenings, tomorrow night, and then we'll look at Wednesday's forecast in detail. So we'll always do the overnight forecast late in the evening. And we'll probably have to go to a different to get tomorrow night's forecast. So yeah, they're calling about the same thing. So I'm looking mid 80s tomorrow for Pinellas County. Okay, now let's in the evening and overnight. Just take a look overnight. So I'm going to go to 5. From 11 p.m. to 5 a.m. Wednesday. Overnight in the 60s. No rain on the wind speed. 8 to 11 miles an hour. Overnight tomorrow night, Tuesday. Precipitable water, 0.60. And let's look at the cloud cover for tomorrow night. 0%. So there you have it. So my official forecast tomorrow is mostly sunny. Some clouds from time to time tomorrow. I'm looking for about in the mid 80s. And your winds are generally from the east at 5 to 7 miles an hour. That is for your Tuesday forecast. I will be back tomorrow night for the Tuesday night's forecast and then the Wednesday's day forecast. Now, let's look. Now we're going to go on the 5-day forecast. So now we're going in the 5-day forecast. And the 5-day forecast shows dry conditions all the way through next Sunday. And like I said, we're in an extreme drought. I might show the map tomorrow. They update the drought monitor forecast. That is done on Thursday. So Thursday night, we'll look up the updated drought monitoring for Pinellas County in the Tampa Bay regional weather area. So looking like As of right now, for Wednesday, 86 and a low of 66 and dry with a few clouds. I'm going to leave a few clouds in every single day according to the latest models. Thursday, 85, it's 66. Friday, we're warming up to 88 and dry conditions with a few clouds and sun and the low of 68. Saturday, 88 and dry with a few clouds and a low of 70. Sunday, you can see I have a little bit more of a cloud cover over the sun, so it's partly sunny. So it'll be more leading more toward clouds than sun on Sunday with a high of 87 and a low of 68 degrees. So with that being said, this has been your forecast, and I'll see you tomorrow night for your local forecast for tomorrow, for Tuesday night's forecast and Wednesday's forecast in detail, and then the next 5 days. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.